Hey guys, I hope you're fine. If you want to know about stress in your communication, so must remember this is a useful video for you. So let's talk about PT speaking module, especially read aloud, in which stress is a prevalent factor in the whole test in the complete module. So stress is basically giving prominence to a specific word in the complete text. Like if you see some prepositions, articles, conjunctions, and some kind of phrasal verbs, so you need to put stress on that. Like the word is on, so it's a stressed word. The itself is a stressed word, and itself is a stressed word. So such kind of words will require prominence from your side. So it's a simple trick for you to please find out only such words in the complete text and try to give more energetic tone to that and present them enthusiastically so that your score can be improved. Thank you.